Welcome to PreMath. In this video, I'm going to show you easy and simple tricks to add any consecutive numbers. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And in this short video, we are going to add just 10 consecutive numbers first. And then I'm going to show you how to add large consecutive numbers as well. And here's our very first example. We are going to add these 10 consecutive numbers. Our first number is 13 and the last number is 22. And whenever we add these numbers, start off with first, second, third, fourth, and stop at fifth number. So our fifth number is 17. And now just simply add 5 next to this one. So the sum of all these 10 digits turns out to be 175 as our answer. And here's our another example. We are going to add numbers from 87 all the way to 96. Once again, we are going to count first 5, first, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth number. So 91 is our fifth number, and we are going to insert 5 next to it. So therefore, the sum of all these 10 numbers turns out to be 915. And here's our next example. We are going to add all these 3-digit numbers, and we are going to count the very first 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is our fifth number. So our fifth number turns out to be 115. And now we are going to insert 5 next to it. So the sum of all these numbers turns out to be 1155. So let me go over once again. First count the first 5 numbers and then just simply stick 5 next to it. And that's going to be our answer. Likewise, for this second example, count the first 5 numbers and then stick 5 next to it. So 915 is our answer. And likewise, this example, this 115 is our fifth number. And now we are going to stick 5 next to it. So 1155 is our answer. And now I'm going to show you how to add any number of consecutive numbers. And here's our very first example. We are going to add these consecutive numbers starting from 28 all the way to 47. Before we add these numbers, we are going to count how many numbers are listed over here. And here's an easy formula to count these numbers. And this n is always equal to the last number minus the first number plus we add 1. And here in our case, our very first number is 28 and our very last number is 47. So therefore n is going to be equal to last number is 47 minus 28, and then we are going to add just 1 next to it. And we know 47 minus 28 is 19, and then we add 1 to it. That's going to give us 20. So therefore we can see that there are 20 number of terms. And here's our very simple formula to add these numbers is sum is always equal to n divided by 2 times the first number plus the last number. We already figured out our n is 20. Our first number is 28 and last number is 47. So therefore the sum is going to be simply 20 divided by 2 times 28 plus 47. And we can see 20 divided by 2 is 10. And 28 plus 47 is going to give us 75. So therefore sum is going to be 10 times 75 is going to give us 750. And that is the sum of all these numbers. And here's our next example. We are going to add these numbers starting from 7 all the way to 100. So our very first task is to count these number of terms. Here 7 is our very first number and 100 is our last number. So therefore our n value is going to be, last number is 100 minus 7, and we are going to add 1 to it, and if we do that thing, that is going to give us 94. So our n value turns out to be 94. And now here's our next step. We are going to add up all these numbers by using this formula once again. So the sum is going to be equal to, our n value is 94 divided by 2 times first number is 7 plus last number is 100, and here 94 divided by 2 is 47, and that is going to give us 107. So therefore we are going to multiply 47 times 107, and that is going to give us 5029, the sum of all these numbers. And I'll show you more interesting tricks in the next videos. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.